Namaste. We have seen the destruction of COVID-19 or its potential on the human lives and as also on the economy. From this unprecedented crisis, we can also learn lessons, opportunities from threat. Firstly, we were not well prepared on health front. Health sector was so weak that the essential equipment like personal protective equipment or the ventilators that were required could not be procured in the numbers required. Let alone this unpreparedness, the health sector being left to the market forces philosophy or the insurance approach. Although the government spent money, as in the United States, heavily, the health sector was controlled by the medical insurance. That didn't work. So what is now required? The first lesson that we should learn is to have a universal healthcare system, either by direct involvement of the government, putting in place adequate health infrastructure, or through combination of several things, but through single payer insurance system, where the government takes care of the health expenditure of the people, mobilizing resources through tax revenue, government taking care of the health expenditure through budgetary allocations. Be it in India or in the United States, this should happen. Then in India, what is glaringly visible was the migrant laborers suffered a lot, and the workers in the unorganized sector were hard hit. The public distribution system, because of excessive concern of the government to have a targeted public distribution system, excluded a significant number of people who are entitled. Those without the proof suffered. Of course, government tried to go to their rescue, but still then it was a problem. So the solution is a universal public distribution system. Then the food security and support to agriculture is very important. That is one lesson we should learn from this. Similarly, the neoclassical approach of market forces dominance doesn't work in the area of education also. That the police did a good job, doctors did good job, but still then we have been observing some unsavory incidents. The police personnel are working day and night in the hot sun, but then there were instances of some excesses. So in a democracy, policing is important. So the necessary reforms, policing is also one essential thing. The governmental attention should go to that aspect also. So in conclusion, the health, education and food to all are very, very important and crucial. The democratic governments, the governments which claim themselves to be the welfare states, or the people's governments simply, should not leave these three things to the mercy of market forces. Health, education, I repeat, health, education and food. This coronavirus disease, COVID-19, and the suffering that we have seen of the people on account of non-intervention of the government in these areas, to the extent it did not intervene or to the extent it left these things to the market forces' mercy, people suffered. So now that there should be a paradigm shift, there should be a change in the thinking of the government. The neoliberal economic policies, at least in these areas, do not work. So this is the one lesson that we should learn from COVID-19 crisis. It has been a threat. We are undergoing this threat, all right. But this threat should be taken as an opportunity to learn these lessons, not as an opportunity to throw blame for every failure of the government on the COVID-19, as some governments used to do before, throwing the blame on their predecessors, even starting from the British. For some time, British government was held responsible for everything. Yes, the colonial government did destroy the economy, but although we cannot take that excuse. Similarly, the previous government, whenever they change in the government, the successive government throws blame on them. Now they shouldn't throw the blame again on this COVID-19. The battle should continue and we are going to win the battle. And we should also learn these lessons. Thank you for watching the video. Please watch 2 other videos I made before on COVID-19. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Also, please click that bell icon to get the notifications as and when I upload new video to my channel, PSM Speak. Thank you.